Garfield. Cats. We cats are intelligent, soft, cute, furry, curly, playful, demure, and masters of the house. We cats like to sit in high places. It reinforces our superiority. Help! Garfield, you dummy. Here, Garfield Fat. Ouch! Groveling is not one of my strong suits. I'm not explaining what groveling is, but okay. You can't drink coffee, Garfield. You'll stunt your one lump or two. All I ever do is eat and sleep, eat and sleep, eat and sleep, eat and sleep, and just there must be more that gets left than that, but I hope not.